HAEBWA. What does this phrase mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we are going to study about the word HAEBWA. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 192. HAEBWA. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is he, second syllable is bwa. Pronounce it with me. HAEBWA. HAEBWA. The word HAEBWA is used to say, try to do it. You can use this to tell someone to try doing a specific action. How do we write HAEBWA in Hangul? Let's start with the first of the two syllables. To be able to write the syllable he in Hangul, we need to draw first a hi character followed by an e character. For the second syllable bwa, we need to draw first a b character followed by an o character followed by an a character. And if you would notice, the wa part is formed by the combination of the o and a sound. So, we need to combine these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word HAEBWA. Now let's try to look into this example sentence. It says, try to do it. Again, it says, try to do it. The Korean translation of this is HAEBWA. Again, it's HAEBWA. The word HAEBWA is actually just a combination of he and bwa. He is a verb, which means to do something, while bwa is also a verb, which is used to say, let me see or try it. So there are two actions, to do and to see. When we say HAEBWA, it literally means, do it, let me see. This can also be interpreted as, let me see you do it, or try doing it. Well, looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the phrase or the word HAEBWA is simply try to do it. And with that, you've just learned HAEBWA. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 182 to 191. But don't forget our word for today, HAEBWA, which means try to do it. The first word for our review is word number 191, Joesonghamnida, which means so or the past tense of see. Word number 190 is moksori. This is the Korean noun for voice. Word number 189 is 봄, and this is the Korean noun for the spring season. Word number 188 is taepong, and this is the Korean noun for typhoon. Word number 187 is wasseyo, which means came or the past tense of the verb to come. Word number 186 is pigone, which means tired. Word number 185 is togo, which means that. Word number 184 is ego, which means this. Word number 183 is yongo, and this pertains to the English language. And the last for our review is word number 182, 한국어, and this pertains to the Korean language itself. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.